Hello everyone, my name is Bharat Konda. I am a trademark attorney. In this video, I will talk about how to trademark a phrase. You need to start with the consideration of the following factors. First, what is the name of the phrase you are planning to apply for a trademark? Second, is there any other exact or similar trademark phrase that is pending at USPTO? Or is there any other registered trademark on the principal or supplemental register? Further, you need to check the state databases for any other trademarks that are already in use or other common law senior marks that are in use before you started using your mark. Sometimes registration of a competing mark can be on the supplemental register. Registration on the supplemental register denotes a possibility of descriptiveness of the mark. Descriptiveness is one of the factors indicating lower strength of the mark. They generally have lower strength in the marketplace and end up on the supplemental register. Registration on the principal register denotes that the phrase enjoys the full benefits of the registration. These prior registrations can be overcome by cancellation proceedings at the USPTO. Opposing party may also try to go to the federal court through litigation. Consider the cost of litigation before proceeding in this route. Third, if already registered, then determine whether you can find a different phrase. This alternative phrase should not cause consumer confusion about the source of the phrase. Typically, your trademark attorney, like myself, needs to conduct a likelihood of confusion analysis. You can find further about likelihood of confusion in another YouTube video in this channel. And also you can also find further about the likelihood of confusion at Trademark Manual of Examining Procedure, which is available at the USPTO website. Fourth, usually arbitrary, fanciful, and suggestive marks are highly protected for registration purposes. They are easier to receive trademark registration on the principal register after clearance of the mark, whereas in the following decreasing order, descriptive marks and generic marks receive less or no protection at all. Especially generic marks do not receive any protection for trademark registration purposes. Fifth, descriptive mark registration sometimes may be limited to supplemental register, as I explained earlier. Some other times, they do not receive any registration at all. Receiving a registration depends on the phrase, your competition, and general market use of the phrase. You cannot lock out the descriptive phrase all for yourself based on the prior use or continued use of that descriptive mark in the market. Let's look at the trademark phrase examples. Organizations and individuals typically want to trademark a catchphrase to identify their products or services. Their main goal is association and identification of that catchphrase to their brand-related product or services. It always helps when you have a phrase for marketing purposes. The first example is a corporation named Geico Marine Insurance Company, a subsidiary of Geico Insurance Corporation. The phrase is making boating better together. The second example is another insurance company named Progressive Casualty Insurance Corporation. It has the following catchphrase that is identifying their source of their services. The phrase is Business Code Explorer. Please feel free to contact us to register a trademark phrase at USPTO. You can visit our website at affordabletrademarkattorney.com. There are self-service forms that you can fill and submit it. And once I review those forms, I will get back to you within one business day.